Biafra women have demanded for unconditional release of their son Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and also tell the Nigeria government to release Nnamdi Kanu immediately, and as they gathered and made a serious dangerous prayer. No be small thing o. You know say everybody don come outside talk for this matter, tell the Nigeria government to release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally so that the man go join him family and join him people back. But the government of Nigeria is paying deaf ear to this particular call. My people, as it stand right now, they say that Abuja community or Abuja indigenes have told the Nigeria youth and Nigeria citizens that they are not going to join in Tinubu must go or end bad government protest that is coming. I think that was on 29. He said that they are not going to join, or that anybody they see in their territory protesting, say that person go enter inside wahala. Nigeria, how can you make the country wey be say this one say they wan protest, this one say they no go protest? That day now you go see people, they fight people wey dey protest for the benefit of everybody for inside Nigeria. Things are happening. So how it is say that kind of country go feel even good for this life? Omo, e no go good though. However, let's jump inside the matter and know how it dey happen. My wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. I'm going to play this video as the women of Biafra, they celebrate, they shout, they cry, they pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. I'm going to play you the video for you to watch before we come back and continue. That is the moment the Biafra women are singing and praising, calling Chukwu Okike Abiama, making dangerous prayer for the Nigeria government for them to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. And that is the video you just watched. Please drop your own opinion in the comment section and share the video. Let me play this video, may you watch and see what they happen. They say that the Abuja indigenes have told Nigerians, all Nigerians, nobody should come for their territory, come they protest, so they no need them. Say Tinubu better for them. Say Tinubu don't change their life. Tinubu don't better their life. Tinubu is taking care of their women. I want you to watch this video before we come back and continue.
I understand why the youth stakeholders of various groups in FCT have gathered today to say clearly and issue out a statement that they are distancing themselves from the planned nationwide protests by certain elements. And I, as their son and also their brother, strongly also stand with them, because the people of FCT can only take a stand when we stand together. And right now we are standing together to say that we are not in support of any national protest that will be staged in FCT, and those who are planning to do so should distance themselves from it.
We, the indigenous people of FCT, are saying no to any kind of protest against this present government. The reason are, this is the only government that have recognized the indigenous people of FCT. Yes. And we will continue to support the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu 101%, because what we have been agitating for, he have come to our aid. We don't have any reason to fight the government.
I want to say this categorically, that we, the women, we say no to protest, because the government has done well to us. The government is working for the women. Our president has never let the women down, especially in FCT. He has given us permanent secretary. An indigenous woman has taken that position. Say no to protest. We, the women of indigenous people of FCT, we say no to any protest that they want to do. If you have any protest that you want to do, go back to your state and allow us to be in peace, because we are enjoying what the president is doing to us.
A lot of things have been going on social media, and part of what is going on social media is that a lot of groups are calling for a protest. We want to categorically state that we, the indigenous youth groups, as we gathered here, will not be part of that protest. The reasons are that protests don't usually end well in the FCT. There are usually a lot of destructions, and we don't even have any reason to want to protest, especially now, because some of the things that we have been advocating for, especially the minister has been appointed amongst the indigenous group of the FCT.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, and here waiting, they call themselves the youth of FCT, the indigenous of Abuja have said a thing that concerns the nation, the country. They say the country called Nigeria, and this is what every time you see individual coming out from north to make one kind statement, you know, I know that yes, Igbos are not going to join the protest. We have make it categorically clear in this platform, and all Igbos are speaking up not to join. But when you come to think of it, this is the people that want to protest for the betterment of their country called Nigeria, and you see some parts are saying they are not going to join. The same thing they will do, you see, Arewa youth say they are not going to join this one youth. But when you come to Ohaneze youth said, nobody mind them all. When you come to even Ohaneze said, nobody will mind them all. So for you to see that this country, there are people that own it, and there are people that are visitor in the same country. But these people that are visitor are the ones who are claiming they are the Nigeria, they do Nigeria most. People like Hope Uzodinma, Peter Mba, and Soludo, and what is this? Minister of Work, Minister of Work. I don't even want to know his name self. So this is the people who are claiming that they own Nigeria while they are visitor in the country where they call their own country. So I have seen it. Nobody will challenge these people because they have said that day you will see they will bring Thors to disrupt the protest and nothing will happen. My people, do you think that this country can ever be good again? Please drop in the comment section and share the video.